Stop settling for chemical household cleaners when you can have organic, herbal detergents proven to be 10 times stronger, safe, and eco friendly. Are you concerned about possible poisoning exposure to common household detergents in your kitchen and laundry room? I have a perfect solution for you: plant based dishwashing and laundry detergents. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to get notified as I put out new videos. We're all concerned about living a healthy life, and part of it is being aware of what you're using in your household for your everyday cleaning. Did you know that many ordinary household cleaning products, like cleaners and detergents, can be poisonous? These products are windshield washer fluid, laundry detergents, dish detergents, all-purpose cleaners, oven cleaners, glass and window cleaners, and antibacterial cleaners. These products contain phosphate, chlorine, ammonia, enzymes, isopropanol, and ingredients which can irritate the lining of your nose, mouth, and throat. Continuous exposure can cause damage to the nervous system, liver, kidney, heart, and your brain. Ingestion can result in drowsiness, unconsciousness, and possibly death. Bleach products were responsible for the largest increase in poisoning. Hand sanitizers was another major culprit. Poisoning from exposure to chemical cleaners and disinfectants surged by 20% in January 2020 compared to the prior year. As you remember, this is when COVID-19 struck. With rising costs due to inflation right now, we need to shop smartly and safely. Protect your family and stop spending money on chemical household cleaning products, and invest your hard-earned money on plant-based, eco-friendly cleaning products. Promote a healthier lifestyle, keep your home safe and clean, and protect the environment. Try these amazing products today, and you will see and feel the difference. They are made with natural ingredients and gentle enough for daily use, cost-effective, and can be used in so many different ways. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more, or DM me to register for access to the online shopping mall. Thank you, and God bless.